हेलो दोस्तों, मैं कुतुबुद्दीन साइंस या मैथ पर आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बारे में। इसमें ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है, बट डायरेक्ट टू द पॉइंट आपके एग्जामिनेशन में आ रहे क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं जो आपको याद कर लेना है। ये थ्योरी से बेस्ड है। न्यूमेरिकल के लिए जो फार्मूला दिया होता है वो भी है। ये सीबीएसई बोर्ड के लिए स्पेशली है या यूपी बोर्ड इंग्लिश मीडियम के बच्चे हैं उनके लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला है कि हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। ये पूरा चैप्टर एक ही वीडियो में, बहुत कम टाइम में है। तो सबसे पहला है चार्ज। चार्ज क्या होता है? चार्ज इज ए फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल इन एन एटम. It may be positive or negative. Like charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. कुल चार्ज का जो यूनिट है वो कूलाम SI यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज ऑन वन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑफ 1.6 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 19 कूलाम. इट मीन्स Q यानी चार्ज इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इंटू E यानी Q इज इक्वल टू NE where Q इज इक्वल टू चार्ज, N is equal to number of electrons and is equal to charge on one electron. Current, the rate of flow of charge is called current. Current is equal to charge upon time. It means I is equal to Q upon T. SI unit of current is equal to ampere. 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second. 1 milliampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. 1 microampere means 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Current is measured by ammeter. Ammeter has low resistance and always connect in series. Potential difference work done to move a unit charge from one point to another is equal to W upon Q. 1 volt is equal to when 1 joule work is done in carrying 1 coulomb charge, then potential difference is called 1 volt. Potential difference, SI unit of potential difference volt. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. Voltmeter, it is an instrument to measure the potential difference. It is high resistance and always connected in parallel. Cell is the simplest device to maintain potential difference. Current always flow from higher potential to lower potential. Ohm's law. Potential difference across the 2 points of a metallic conductor is directly proportional to current passing through the circuit provided that temperature remains constant. It means V proportional to I is equal to IR. R is a constant called resistance for a given metal. Resistance, it is the property of a conductor to resist the flow of charge through it. Ohm, SI unit of resistance. 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt per 1 meter. One potential difference is 1 volt and current through the circuit is 1 ampere. Then the resistance is 1 ohm. Resistance of a uniform metallic conductor is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, inversely proportional to the area of cross section, directly proportional to the temperature, depend on nature of material. Rheostat, variable resistance, is a component used to regulate current without changing the source of voltage. Resistance, it is represented by rho. It is defined as the resistance offered by a cube of a material of side 1 meter when current flows perpendicular to its opposite face. Rho is equal to Ra upon L. Its SI unit is ohm meter. Resistivity does not change with change in length or area of cross section, but it changes with change in temperature. Range of resistivity of metals and alloy is 10 to the power minus 8 to 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter. Range of resistivity of insulator is 10 to the power 12 to 10 to the power 17 ohm meter. Resistivity of alloy is generally higher than that of its constituent metals. Alloys do not oxidize, burn readily at high temperature, so they are commonly used in electrical heating devices. Copper and aluminium are used for electrical transmission lines as they have low resistivity. When 2 or more resistors are connected end to end, the arrangement is called series combination. Total resultant or overall or effective resistance in series R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Current through each resistor is same. Equivalent resistance is larger than the largest individual resistance. total voltage is equal to sum of voltage drops. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Voltage across each resistor. V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2, V3 is equal to IR3, V is equal to IR. Therefore V is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. IR is equal to I कॉमन हो गया बेटा, R1 plus R2 plus R3. R बराबर क्या हो जाएगा, R1 plus R2 plus R3. रेजिस्टेंस इन पैरेलल में देखिए, voltage across each resistor is same and equal to the applied voltage. Total current is equal to the sum of currents through the individual resistance. It means I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. V upon R is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. V1 का V कॉमन हो जाएगा तो हो जाएगा 1 upon RP is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Resistance in parallel, equivalent resistance is less than the value of the smallest individual resistance in the combination. Advantage of parallel combination over series combination. In series circuit, when one component fails, the circuit is broken and none of the component work. Different appliances have different requirement of current. This cannot be satisfied in series as the current remains same. The total resistance in a parallel circuit is decreased. Heating effect of electric current. If an electric circuit is purely resistive, the sources of energy continually get dissipated entirely in the form of heat. This is known as the heating effect of electric current. As E is equal to P into T, P is equal to क्या होता है VI, तो E is equal to हो जाएगा P into T is equal to VIT. चाहे E लिखिए बेटा चाहे H लिखो, दोनों सेम है. Heat produced is equal to VIT or heat produced equal to H is equal to I square RT. Joule's law of heating effect of electric current states that the heat produced in the resistor is directly proportional to the square of current. It is directly proportional to the resistance for a given current. It is directly proportional to time for which current flows through the conductor. So H is equal to I square RT. Heating effect is desirable in devices like electric heater, electric iron, electric bulb, electric fuse, etc. Heating effect is undesirable in devices like computer motor, CRT, TV, refrigerator, etc. In electric bulb, most of the power consumed by the filament appears a heat and a small part of it is radiated in form of light. Tungsten filament of electric bulb is made up of tungsten because it does not oxidize readily at high temperature. It has high melting point. The bulbs are filled with chemically inactive gas like nitrogen and argon to prolong the life of filament. Electric fuse, it is safety device that protects our electric appliances in case of short circuit or overlapping. Fuse is made up of pure tin and alloy copper tin. Fuse is always connected in series with live wire. Fuse with low melting point. Current capacity of fuse is slightly higher than that of appliances. Electric power P is equal to VI. P is equal to I square R is equal to V square upon R. SI unit of power is equal to watt. 1 watt is equal to 1 volt 1 ampere. Commercial unit of electric energy is equal to kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit of electric energy. थैंक यू सो मच. आप हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहिए, लगातार मेहनत आप भी करिए, हम भी कर रहे हैं. देखते हैं आपका रिजल्ट कितना बेहतर आता है. जितना आपका रिजल्ट बेहतर आएगा उतनी हमारी तरक्की होगी. धन्यवाद.